Here with this beautiful Bella. Bella is going to get her hair cut today. She's getting it all cut off for Soldado. She's going to cut it into a short haircut so she could disguise herself as a boy. But it's going to be really cute in her personal life.
I'm real attached to it because I am. This is from 2012. This is from 2005.
But what's really great about what she's doing is she's going to be giving her hair to Wigs for Kids. So we're going to donate her hair to a child that's in need of a wig because they're going through chemotherapy or whatever.
I never pictured myself being able to help people with such big problems such as, you know, sickness and other things. Like I try to, I want to, and I'm not able to. I don't have the cure to cancer. So this is a step into getting in the right direction to helping those people.
Now for all you guys out there who want to donate your hair, there is a certain way that you need to do it. Otherwise you just throw the hair away. So that's what we're doing first. So we're not getting into the cut first, we're getting into the donating of hair first. You know, we'll cut it right here knowing that that's going to be like the shortest part around your ears. I'm going to pull it down just to be safe, just a little bit more.
I am preparing to get my hair cut. She is putting in the rubber bands, which will help the hair stay in one place and not get loose in certain parts. So yeah, I'm gonna get to cut the first piece of hair.
Okay, the last bundle is going in. Dun 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 dun, drum roll.
There they are. The Jaws theme song.
Third finger. So I'm gonna just place it where you need to cut. Okay, go.
Oh my god! I did it! I'm so happy. Did you see that?
That's the worst part. You got through the first part.
I actually kind of look like.
It kind of looks cute that way.
That is cute.
It's the new Vogue thing, all choppy. Like you got this long piece here. Yeah. Woo!
That was the best cut so far.
Look at, she's a pro now. Look at how cool the ends of this is. Like
That's so much hair. That was on my head. It's so easy to flip around now.
Not the script change.
I like it the way it is. I like this length.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
It's really cool.
It looks like 15, 20, but
Very nice.
I have to cut with my left hand, but I don't have left hand scissors, so I thought I would just put my blindfold on and then cut you. And probably it will be pretty choppy and cool. You know, if I just, there's some hair, if I just chop it, right? I just thought it was funny.
If you saw my face,
I just thought it was funny.
If you saw my face, you, oh my god. This feels so 70s.
I kind of have to make it a little choppy.
See, I usually get scared at salons before this when they cut off this much.
No, it seemed like you just were like ready to do it. Like,
Yeah, because I prepared myself. I accepted it. It's the whole key. Gotta accept what comes to your way because know that it's for the better.
All in big chunk like that. There you go.
I'm red. I'm a tomato. For sure.
You want bangs in the movie?
Yeah.
Calm down.
I wanted bangs like this, like that. Or I didn't know how they would look though. I wanted like.
You might have to go shorter.
That looks cool. I'm really happy. I like it more than I thought I would. Something has changed outside of me. Something is not the same. Too late for second guessing. Too late to go back to sleep. Knowing that this is for my craft and that is going towards a good cause is a really great feeling. I'm very happy overall. And plus, like, I've always kind of wanted to pull that kind of move. Just cut off all my hair. I feel great. I feel amazing. I feel Feeling myself. Feeling myself. Feeling myself.